Yo, 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 what up, Duma? What up, Joel? What up, Dishwasher? How we doing, boys? Sorry for the late start. I had to get the stream set up. I changed my OBS, so I had to reset everything. But holy, wait, what the fuck? No, this was the easiest read of all time, bro. Fuck, I should have started the stream earlier, bro. What up, Urban Monk? God damn it. Oh my god, this was the easiest read of all time, bro, and I missed this trade. Shit. I'm actually a little upset. Yo, what up, Ray? Guys, I'm so sorry, bro. This was the easiest trade of all time, and I missed it, bro. Oh my god. I literally saw this, like, when I opened up my phone, before I started the stream. Before I was gonna get ready, and then it took so long to get the stream ready. Yeah, what a can. What up, Sadiq? Yo, what up, Fugaz? How you doing, bro? Morning, everybody. I'm good, I'm good. Man, dude, this is the easiest read, guys. I'm so upset. Whatever. Okay, so we still have highs that we could be aiming for to the upside. It's looking pretty bullish right now, so I'll be a little bit careful. We did sweep this high, so if we sell off immediately, be very careful of shorts if we sell off immediately. I don't think we're gonna sell off immediately though. I think we're gonna continue to pump. So next level I'm looking at is gonna be 804. I want to look for sales because of Asia and London high sweep. So okay, that's a great question, Fuga, or not question, but comment, Fuga. So when you see this type of push, right, past the Asia and London highs, I wouldn't be looking for shorts. Me personally, I mean, you know, it's possible, but like, just because of how much momentum we are getting through these highs, right? I wouldn't look for shorts immediately. I would probably look for shorts maybe if we continue to sell off down here, but up here, I think we still have room to the upside, if that makes sense. You want to see the 4-hour tap on the order block before we sell off? Yeah, that would be a good idea. That could be a good potential area for shorts, but yeah, we'll just see. We'll play it by ear, see what happens, but we still have a lot of liquidity to the upside, so I'll be looking for possible longs. But that is unfortunate. So what I'm looking at right now is potential retrace into this possible fair value gap right here. What up, Chatan? How you doing, brother? So I'm looking at this right now. I'm honestly looking at this right now. Oh, dude, this was the easiest read of all time. I swear to God, I was gonna go long, bro. Yeah, we tapped into the 1-hour fair value gap. We did. Actually, let me look at ES real quick. Okay, ES tapped into the fair value gap, and NQ we didn't. NQ is super bullish, guys. NQ is super bullish. So this is a bit of an SMT, right? So we call this an SMT fair value gap. Not a lot of people call it that, but that's what I've seen work as well. So there is like a, so you see how NQ doesn't tap into this fair value gap, but ES does, right? That just means that NQ is really bullish, right? So we get a bit of an SMT, right? Yesterday's account profits was about 717. I guess I'll just leave the, I'll let you guys know if I take a trade or not. But I'm up about 717, I think, on Tradeify right now. So, oh, that's on each funded account at least. So waiting for a possible retrace and then taking a trade. The only other way I see us taking a short is if we get something like this. Okay, I'm getting a funded ticks account for $38 right now, but I have no money. Yeah, dude, we have, yeah, that funding ticks has an insane sale going on right now for like 40 yeah, 50% off all evals. Make sure you use code monk. That's with 3Ks. Monk with 3Ks, boys. Thank you. I appreciate it. Use code monk with 3Ks. Thank you. Go in the description. Link in the description. Oh, dude, I'm so sad though. Okay, wait for a confirmation candle out of here. If we don't get it, then we don't take the trade, guys. On funding ticks, it's 3Ks for whatever reason. I can't help you, chat Tan buy. I'm not gonna buy accounts for you guys. That's up to you guys. I'm not here to give handouts. As much as I want to help you guys, I can't be helping you guys like that. So if we inverse this would be a good sign for longs. But look how ES kind of sold past right here, actually. So like, I'm not against shorts, but we'll see. We'll kind of just see. Yeah, the chances of winning the My Funded Futures giveaway is actually pretty high, so. Okay, so ES is selling past, so I would be kind of okay with shorts, but NQ is still pushing, so like I said, I'm not against shorts right now, but we'll have to see. We'll see if we can get an entry. So the only entry I see is if we sell, get a pump up real quick, and then inverse this. If we get an inversion set up over here, possible short, stop above the high, aim for London lows. So this could be a potential trade idea. Now you good, bro. You good. I feel it's gonna sell because it's taken the buy side, but I want to see it inverse the fair value gap, aim for the London lows. Yeah. This big gap, will you enter if we still in the 1 minute gap? Like I said, guys, it's just kind of iffy right now. We'll have to see. Like, what you would call it. ES did take these highs and just sold off. We did get an inversion setup, so that is a sign for shorts. But if you just look at NQ and how bullish we are, we still have a lot of targets to the upside. Like I said, it's kind of just a 50-50 area right now. So whatever happens, you have to put on the trade and see what happens. But if we get a closure above, I might take a small position long and try to hold. But yeah, we'll have to see. But we did tap into this fair value up though, so we'll see how we react off of here first. So if we close above, that'd be a good sign for shorts. If we kind of hold this fair value up and continue selling off, I would want to see us go lower as well though. Of course, bro. Yeah. Take paper trades and show your trades, yeah. Maybe I want to see longs if we hold this 1 minute gap and make an IFEG plus CIC. Yeah, that's a good idea. Like I said, guys, you should not be copying my trades. If you don't have the same conviction as me, do not be you should not be taking the same trade, right? This is not a copy trading or signal botting group. I'm trying to teach you guys how to trade. So I need a candle closure above, like a strong candle above. We'll see, and then the trade would look something like this. Go break even right here, honestly, and then I would just try to hold runners. Yeah. or are we gonna sell off right now off this 1 minute gap because we are resisting the CSD also? Yeah, potential area definitely for resistance. All right, so I'm gonna wait for this candle closure and wait another second, guys. You guys know how I trade, right? I'll wait. If it happens, I'll still wait another second after the candle closes to see how the next candle opens. I want to see us continue to push. If we sell off, then I'll stay out of the trade. Yep, you see, so you see why we do this, guys, right? So now I'll wait for a flip. So if this candle flips back bullish, then I'll take the trade. I hope you guys are learning something, bro. Like, it'll help you guys take the bad fucking trades off your table so you don't have to worry about it. Like, are you guys seeing this, bro? I'm telling you live, bro. Like, so if we flip back bullish, then I'll take the trade. Yeah, it is a potential bullish day, so we'll just have to see. I took entry off a bearish fair value. Yeah, that's why I was waiting for the CSD at the high. Yeah. Good trading, food, guys. Good patience. Just keep trading how you've been. I honestly think we might sell off for a little bit more though. Like maybe into this 5 minute. We have a 5 minute right here. Big 5 minute gap down here. This honestly is a good entry for short though. Like this would be my this would be a confirmation candle for me for shorts, but I was looking for long, so we'll see. You're aiming for 69 on paper. Good luck, brother. It's still looking pretty decent for shorts if you are in that. Like I said, I'm still looking for long, so. Alright, if we close above, this would be really nice. I hope we don't take these highs yet. I want us to close and just kind of chill for a little bit. Okay, there's the close. I want to see if we could continue to hold it. Flip back bullish, and I'll take a long position right here. Okay, well, no, never mind. Still nothing from me. So the only time I would enter off a flip is if we're pretty early in the candle. If we pass 30 seconds already of that candle, then I would just rather wait for the candle closure. SMTs are pretty helpful, yeah. Also, on a side note, we did get Headhunter his money yesterday. So, congratulations, Sadiq, I believe. I got you, brother. See, I ain't some random scammer, bro, on the internet. I'm here to help people. On ES, we inverted the big 1 minute gap. So, yeah, it's probably honestly kind of looking bearish now. We got a lot of momentum through and just no follow through. So, I'm not really interested in longs that much anymore. Plus, we're kind of generating all these lows, right? So, not looking bad for shorts now. And yeah, we did inverse it on ES for sure, so. I honestly might take a short actually. Fuck, I missed my entry. This would have been a potential short entry for me right here. Is 629 a good target? Yeah, 100%. 629 is a really good target. We're gonna be targeting these lows right here. Okay, well, I'm bearish now, I think. But we did, okay, so we did tap into this 5 minutes, so let's kind of just see as well. Big reaction off the 5 minute for a second. 700 in profit, good shit. Also, how you guys like my new thumbnail, bro? I was like making a new thumbnail last night too. I think longs still be valid. We also have S&T at the lows now. Yeah. Yeah, and ES still has a lot of room to the downside. We're so close to taking lows on ES. I should be an editor on the side, bro. Nah, I was just using Canva, bro. They had some like pretty good templates, so I just like kind of slap shit together to see which worked, and I was like, you know, I kind of like it. If we close below this right here, I might take a potential short. Let's see. And because we still holding this 1 minute gap, so I kind of hoping for a higher time frame SMT now and just wait for longs because I think NQ is also bullish on the higher time frame. Yeah. You just see what happens. Yeah, but definitely SMT now. Man, bro, I'm so sad we missed this trade at the start of the session, bro. This was the easiest trade of all time, bro. I swear to God, I was actually gonna take this trade. I hope you guys like know how we were able to avoid this trade though for longs. Like we saved ourselves a whole bunch of money by not taking longs here. Even though the model showed itself, right? I'm showing you guys how to take like good inversions and bad inversions, right? How to avoid all this, so hope you guys learned something at least. Alright, yeah, we definitely short, bro. Hold up. I might get ready to enter short here actually. Alright, I'm waiting for a closure. Flip back up. Let's see. Flip back down and I'll take a short. I'll take a short here. I'll have my stop at the high right here and then try to aim for this swing low right here. Can you tell me more about the trade you missed in the beginning? It's just these data highs are like really big target points. So on this 15 minute, like you see this data wick right here, it's just a good area for for us to target. Wow, dude, we dead ass just went straight to TP, bro. Oh my god, we're just selling. Oh my god, I'm out. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. I didn't even have my TP set. I just sold it. I forgot to set my TP. So I'm glad I did set my TP, bro, because it went a little past TP, bro. Hey, W's in the chat, bro. W's in the fucking chat, bro. Let's fucking go. I hope you guys know how we're reading price action, bro. Oh my god, let's fucking go. Hey, show me your guys' execution if you guys took this with me. If you didn't, good stuff. Also, good patience. Good trades. Let's fucking go. So the reason I took this trade, right? There's no real entry model. Technically, if you guys trade order blocks, this would be your order block entry, right? Like I said, I didn't take it based off of an order block confluence. It was more, we're kind of breaking past on ES, right? Fugaz already pointed this out, right? ES had already taken out all these, or sorry, not taken out, had already started to inverse, right? So that's definitely showing weakness in the market, but NQ is showing strength still. So I wanted to see how NQ would react, right? And at first, it looked good for potential longs, right? But I told you guys, even though we close above, wait for how we react, right? Wait for how we react on the next candle. I know we closed above, guys. I know that's the inversion entry, but just wait, give yourself a second or two to see how the next candle opens. If we still continue to push, right, on the next candle, then that's your buy signal. But we never got it. We just, look at, as soon as we close above on both candles, what happens? Guys, what happens? We sell off immediately, right? So I never got my entry. I never got my entry on longs, right? So that's just showing weakness in the market, right? As soon as we do that, and we start selling off, I'm like, okay, my next area of interest for long still is probably still this 5 minute. But the 5 minute kind of really never showed a lot of strength and buying back up, right? So we tried doing it right here, never got strength to back up to the upside, and we start selling off immediately again. So once I saw this candle right here, right, I'm like, okay, we're not getting follow through to the upside. Shorts are on the table now, right? Not only that, ES is really close to taking all these lows. This is the drawn liquidity. We have to be short here, right? As soon as you see that and we get a closure below, I wait for a strong candle. You guys, my entries are always going to be, for the most part, on a strong candle closure, right? Hi, bro. Someone say in the funding tick, if you open one contract, direct 100 is true. I have no idea what that means. I'm sorry. But yeah, strong candle closure, stop above the high, and I held it till right here, bro. Oh my god, bro. Let's fucking go. Hey, show me you guys' execution in the Discord, brothers. Hey, what up, Kumar, though? Welcome. I'm cool. Alright, that's enough trading for today. We're fucking done. We're done. Guys, save yourself the headache. Don't even look at the fucking charts if you haven't taken a trade, bro. But, like, shorts are still on the table, guys. Until we take the low on London, I would be okay with shorts. So if you guys haven't found an entry yet, we still have a decent room to go. And so we still also have Asia low, right? So if we continue to sell off, right, I would be careful around London lows, right? If we kind of start like hesitating right here and start buying back up a little bit aggressively, longs potential. If not, and we continue to start selling off aggressively, right, then I would target these Asia lows. So yes, sir. Let's fucking go. Yeah, Fu guys, just wait for your setup, bro. Good patience, bro. Good fucking patience, bro. But yeah, this is our trade right here. All right, let's go do some trade reviews. Okay, so see this, bro. Before you took the trade, I was already aiming for longs. Or you're already in shorts. Okay, nice. Good stuff. See what Fu guys is looking at. I did not take this because of that massive wick candle. Yep. Nice. Good patience though. Oh, shorts? Yeah. Let's go though. Did anyone take the same trade as me though? Kind of curious. Like I said, you guys should not be signal botting, but if you guys had the same conviction as me, congratulations. I'm just trying to walk you guys through how I see shit, right? So I'm done for the day, yo. No more trades for me, bro. You missed it, Joel? Hey, all good. we still could sell off right here, 100%. Especially because ES just closed below here again. Discord? Okay, let's see. Yeah, nice. Me personally, I wouldn't take this type of trade just because like this is honestly kind of a buy signal, but thank God it wasn't. So I think the reason we sold off because ES was really bearish. Okay, yeah, I had that. Yeah, I had that. We're going higher and higher for the day. That needs to be reinforced at some point. So I need to. So indeed, I was anticipating that. Okay, my conviction in sells because NQ is weak. Yep. Okay. If it's your conviction, then that is your conviction, right? Good trade. Yeah. So the reason I was gonna take longs though at the start of the session, like I said, this news candle right here. This news candle right here, actually that's not even a news candle, but this wick, whenever you see a wick like this and an insane wick like this, then that's just a good liquidity area for us to target, right? So this would have been like a 40-point trade right there. But I'm not you know, sad against a what is it? We took a 35-point trade just now. We wrote it for 35 points. Damn, Apex is 90% off, bro. I wish. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, lifetime fees are 85 bucks, bro? No. I kind of want to cop some accounts now, but I know it's probably not a good idea. I just got to stay focused on what I'm trading right now. Let's see. What up, Dix? What was the giveaway you did yesterday? How could I miss that? Yeah, we did two $50 giveaways. Since I got a payout, I was trying to give back to the community. So yeah, there will be more to come for sure, but I don't know if I'll do another giveaway for a little bit. We'll see. The thing, I trade good in evals, but I suck at funded. Yeah. Nice, bro. You're really up much for the day. God bless. Thank you, bro. Alright, time to post on Twitter and shit, bro. You know me. If you guys aren't already, follow my Twitter. It's a link in the description, of course. Sweet. What up, prank god? Your short is my long. Hey, replay the video, prank god, to see how we like came to the short consensus and why we didn't go for longs. Hopefully you learn a little bit. I have understood one thing, that waiting for the setup to show and yell at me that I am down on will save a lot of mental capital and drawdown. Yes, sir. Are you out? Yeah, I'm out of the trade completely. Until I get to the profit threshold that I need, I can't be holding trades. I'm gonna be in the trade really quick and then out of the trade. Then go to sleep. I might do that right now. So I'll be on stream just for a little bit for you guys, so you guys kind of are chilling. Yeah, we'll just see. Kind of reversing after. So this is a spot, right, where a potential reversal could come, but the thing is on ES, or sorry, NQ, yeah. NQ is kind of holding this level, so if we kind of retrace and close above, potential long back up to the upside. If not, and we kind of retrace to this level and start selling back down aggressively, I would go short. Excellent, brother. Peace. You did a great job today. Thank you, Sadiq. Congratulations on the win as well yesterday. Come on, Ron. Let's do another giveaway right now. Come on. I know you want to do it. Yeah, dude. Let me just give away my life savings here. Let's do a giveaway for my life savings. I'll give you guys my house, my keys, my car, Yeah, let's do it. I'm down. From now on, I'll trade with you guys on stream when I get a count so that I will have fun with you guys. Yes, sir. You got a whip? A girlfriend also? Why is everyone making fun of me and I got no girlfriend, bro? I'm single for life, bro. Fuck. You got a whip? I do have a car, yeah. But it's not, it's because it was a used car that my parents got for me. Dibs on Monk's funded accounts. It's just a Kia. It's an old Kia. It's just the beater car for sure. Oh, look at we got Viet Ray Duck boy. I don't even know if I said that right, bro. My Vietnamese, I'm sorry, Ray, is so bad. I heard you with a heavy Vietnamese accent, though. I know you speak that Vietnamese. Fluent. Alright, yeah, chat saying get to bed, brother. Yo, Ray, you still in here? Ray, you're in here still, right? Are you from the US, Ray? 7:30 p.m. Yeah, get ready for bed, Chatan, bro. Almost right? Wait, you're from Canada. The fuck? Why is everyone from Germany, bro? Okay. What up, Sinkyao? Yep. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow, Chatan. At least you have a month or so. You might surprise us with BMW M5. Yo, I'm just saying, Porsche 911 GT3 RS Turbo? Dude, I know. So I'm good friends with some guy at my gym who's like a multi-millionaire. I think he has about $80 million. Or his net worth is about $80 million. Some ridiculous. He'll always pull up in supercars. But like, I didn't know this guy was rich. He just randomly came up to me one day and just started talking with me. And I'm Southern, yeah. So I was born in Colorado. So I'm all American basically. But my parents are from South Vietnam, from Phan Thit. So you know where Phan Thit is, Ray? I visited Vietnam probably 3 times. The last time I remember was probably a long time ago. I went there 3 times. One time when I was a kid, I don't remember. A second time when I was a kid, when I kind of remember. And then the third time was when I was like in 8th grade or something. But, okay, so we got Ray and Woom from Germany. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that guy, dude, he has like 3 911 GT3 RSs, like the top of the line, like the fucking 300K car. He'll pull up in a Ferrari. He has a Lamborghini that he pulled up in one time. He said if I wanted to drive it, I said, fuck no. If I crash that shit, I'm fucked. I'm in generational debt for the rest of my life, bro. Yeah, there's hella Vietnam. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pure Vietnam. So we got another Vietnamese in here too. Let's go. I'm pretty good friends with him too, so I always try to be learning something from that guy. He's some 6'4" Mongolian, half Chinese dude, bro. It is crazy, bro. He's really cool. I definitely look up to him. He has like fucking like so many properties over here in LA, bro. Like in the Hollywood area, bro. Like this guy's fucking loaded. He'll just, he already retired at 32. So he's 37, 38-ish right now. He said he retired when he was 32 and shit. I'm like, bro, what the fuck? I was like, what the fuck? He used to be a pro, an ex-professional Chinese basketball player. When he was a kid. What he does, I mean, in terms... Okay, so he does wholesaling. So he wholesales to like a whole bunch of... he's in the wholesaling business. So he buys in bulk and sells to like other shit. I don't know. Okay, so we're kind of reversing to the upside. I don't know if it would be looking for longs yet, but like I said, I'm done trading for the day. Damn, Germany though. I still can't get rid. Right, where are you in over in Germany? That's a nice candle closure to the upside, but I'd have to wait for probably ES to inverse it too. I do like this momentum through here though, so it is good for potential longs. But let's see. We did get a new member though. All right, but I'm pretty much gonna call it here, boys. I appreciate you guys tuning in. It was a nice Discord link's gonna be in the description. But yeah, I appreciate you guys tuning in today. It was a nice quick trading today, so we didn't have to worry about much. Just straight to the point, straight to TP. Really like that. Can never complain. And I will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be Friday, so nice way to end the stream. I do stream tomorrow, yes. I'll try. Yesterday, I started the stream a little late today because I was trying to get the stream set up. I reset my OBS. I had some problems with OBS, so I had to get everything set up before the stream today, guys. So I do apologize. But if I was on stream, I probably would have taken this long with you guys. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you guys later. And yeah, peace.